Hey, what's up guys? It is now, what day is it? Today is now Saturday, and we spent the last couple days rebuilding the engine and putting everything back together. So this is the final product. I will go over, actually, okay, let's do everything. I'm gonna like list everything that I've done. Okay, so you guys saw my engine apart in the last video. So yeah, we did get the heads machined. We're running ARP head studs, new OEM gaskets, pretty much everywhere. So I did upgrade to the USDM 11mm oil pump, which is found in the newer, I believe they started in 2008 oil pumps. Not new timing kit, new water pump, new motor mounts. I think that pretty much covers it. New hoses everywhere, new hose clamps.
The heads got machined.
Some fresh hardware. Yeah, they already know the heads got machined.
Okay.
Yeah, everything like inside the short block itself though was not open. That is completely stock and untouched. So yeah, last night me and C Will were wrestling with this motor engine for like 2.5 hours, maybe like 3 hours.
Too long.
Yeah, so I actually did not have this. This is a clutch alignment tool, which is used to align your clutch to get it straight into the input shaft. Right there. Yeah, we did not have this last night, so I did it by eye, which is sometimes possible. So yeah, it just wouldn't make, so we just called it a night and pulled the engine back out, unfortunately. So yeah, I did get this. It's still technically not the right one. It is a 1-inch diameter with a 24 spline. It's for a Nissan Sentra or something like that. It should still work with the Subaru engine. Hopefully it does. If not, we're kind of fucked.
Till tonight.
Oh yeah, until tonight. So I have another one. Okay. Also, just other things happening today. Oren is coming by pretty soon. I'm used to wearing a watch, that's why I keep looking at my wrist to check the time. He'll be coming by in a little bit because we're gonna test fit the RPF ones that he had on his FRS. They're 17x9. I don't remember if they're 35 or 45 offset, but I just want to see how it looks on this car because if they turn out pretty cool, I might be rocking black RPF ones pretty soon in the future. I do want gold ones though, but I'll take the black ones if he, or tell them they're really cheap and I'll buy them. We want to file it down. Okay, so this is the problem we're facing. So we have the alignment tool and it does not fit into the throwout bearing. So we either just keep it pressed down pretty hard. It's not that tapered where it would stay in place nicely. So we could file it down. Not optimal, but yeah. This is kind of our only option. Like an Xbox. An Xbox? Wait, nothing.
Oh yeah, well
right.
It doesn't have a tire.
17x9x35.
That is scraped it harder. Tighter.
Oh, is it gonna hit the caliper?
Yeah.
No,
It is, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is.
Wait, are you sure these are 35s?
Yeah, they're 35.
Dang, so I need a spacer.
If you're gonna fit these.
That's already
like 5mm.
That's already poking out of my fender too.
Check out my channel.
Yeah, those RPF ones just aren't a good fit on STIs either. It's just because of the calipers, because the spokes, they don't come out that much, so they're pretty flush.
Especially on this size. Like they did something with this offset specifically.
Yeah,
that
I know.
yeah, they poke it a little bit more. That's why I had to get the new wheels. Well, not had to. That's why I chose to.
Damn, that would look so sick though. Bye, Oren. Yeah, have you ever heard like a Crosstrek, or yeah, even the Outbacks? They all you can all put like stage 2 crap on them and have catless downpipes on an Outback.
Just silly. I'm imagining one pulling up to a car meet just rumbling.
That happens all the time. That literally happens, dude. Even at like Clean Culture, you see a bunch of them. Not a bunch. You see like 2.
The fake STI badge on.
Yeah, with an STI badge on the grill, just like that one. Precisely. Unfortunately, this clutch tool is not the proper size, I do have another universal tool coming in the mail today at some point, hopefully soon. And so I have to run back to my house to pick that up and try it on this. If that doesn't work, I am pushing this car out of the garage because this is Seawill's dad's house. And we'll just have to wait because I do have another one coming from ACT, which I know will work for Subarus. That's what everyone uses on their Subarus. It's what comes with a bunch of the clutch kits, so if worse comes to worse, I have that coming. It's shipped from within California, which is where we are, so it shouldn't take that long to get here, hopefully. And then I have AN fitting turbo lines coming in the mail as well, because the hard lines were destroyed on my engine. So I can't run the engine even until I get those turbo lines, so that is where we are right now. No. Man. The new tool that came in the mail today does not fit. It is too big, even with the smallest bushing that it comes with. Do you think this is the right tool?
Nope.
The clutch alignment tool that says Subaru printed on the plastic? Dude, this motor engine is going in here today. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts.
Tonight. It's nighttime.
Yeah. Yeah, it's, oh god. It's 9:06. This is when we are putting my engine in. Starting to put my engine in. So actually, I ordered this clutch alignment tool and I was just sitting at my house all day waiting for this to get delivered, and then I came straight here. It got to my house at like 8:20ish, so that's why we're here so late. Moment of truth right here. Would you look at that, Christian?
Check the spines.
Would you look at that?
Check the other one before we get too excited.
Would you look at that?
No, we're not. No.
Oh, it actually goes in and makes a plunging sound when you pull it out.
Check the edge.
No.
Oh no.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're joking.
Oh no.
Can you put it in already, please? Good. This car will be out of here.
No. What if it just cracked when I threw it at you?
I would cry. I don't even know what I'm filming. Okay.
Yeah, you were aiming at me a little bit. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take the 12 mil bolts off real quick, and then I'm gonna throw the clutch on, and then we'll get back to you guys.
Yo tengo mucho tarea. Es muy aburrido.
Mucho burritos.
Mateo, help.
Oh my god. Actually, I showed you guys what time it was earlier. So it is now...
I feel like if I slept under a car every night, I'd be forced to sleep on the bed.
Yeah, it's 12:52. That was, well, the main thing was because I was working on this a lot by myself while Christian was finishing some homework for his summer class. So yeah, I was doing this a lot by myself. But once we were actually both working on this together, it didn't take that long. But yeah, a good 2 or 3 hours was me finagling by myself while he was doing his homework. And then, yeah, we got the engine in now. It's fully mated to the transmission. The gap is closed, top and bottom, so that was the biggest problem we had, was getting the studs at the bottom of the engine aligned to the transmission. So we finally got it in cleanly without forcing it by tightening all the bolts around it, which we usually try to avoid when you're installing an engine or a transmission. You can come out now.
I'm still here, guys.
Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here, but tomorrow, what day is it today? It was Sunday, I guess it's technically Monday now, I think. right? What time was it? I don't even remember.
It's Monday.
Yeah, okay, it's technically Monday now. So later today in the evening, I'll be meeting up with a friend who just got a 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia, and we'll be hitting the canyons with that car. And then Tuesday, the following morning, well, pretty much the whole day, I'll be back here finishing buttoning up the engine, and the turbo oil lines will be here as well, so I'll need to take care of that. And then we just have all these parts to throw back on. Then hopefully the car will not run into any issues, hopefully. We'll find out pretty soon. Then also I am signed up to autocross. I might just do a last minute event this weekend, but I'm also doing another one in the beginning of August, so I'll have to do like an oil change on my 240. Still looking for another KA trans to swap onto the SR engine. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.